let's talk about some awesome cashback apps that can help save money on things you do every day. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and this is the RideShare Guy. Today we're going to be talking about cashback apps. Now there are a lot of cashback apps out there, but we're going to go over the top 5 that you should be using if you aren't already. As I just said, we're going over the top 5, but if you want to see many more, click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to an article from the RideShare Guy. All right, now let's go over the top 5 cashback apps. Number 1, the Get Upside Gas app. Now, who doesn't like to save money at the pump? And if you're seeing what I'm seeing, gas rising a little bit each day, it'd be nice to get a little bit of money back at the pump. Click the link in the description below for up to 15 cents off per gallon of gas at any participating location. Here's a pro bonus tip. If you sign up for the Get Upside Gas app, also sign up for the Gas Buddy account, and you could do a little bit of double dipping. Number 2, Racket, formerly known as Ebates. This has to be probably the most popular cashback app out there. And because of that, well, it's going to make this list as well. Now, Racket makes it very simple for you to save money on everyday purchases like cleaning supplies and other home supplies, travel, Amazon purchases, and so much more. And yeah, a pro tip is you can even double dip here. Number 3, Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is a cashback app for groceries. Now, there's a lot of cashback apps for groceries like Ibotta out there, but Fetch is a little bit different because as long as you match the offer at any store, you're going to get the offer. So it could be at a convenience store or it could be at a large chain grocery store. And number 4, since I mentioned it, number 3, we're going to bring up Ibotta, which is another very well-known cashback app for groceries. Now, it's really simple to use. First, just download the app, create an account, then check what types of offers you want to do and claim those offers, then go shopping, upload your receipt to the app, and you're going to get your cash back. You might have to scan some barcodes, but again, it makes it really simple. It does it right in the app, and it'll tell you what you need. And number 5 on the top 5 cashback apps, in no particular order, they're all really good, but number 5 is Dosh. Now, the one thing that's awesome about Dosh is it's kind of like a set it and forget it type of cashback app, because all you have to do is you download the app, link a credit or debit card with it, and anytime you make a particular purchase at a participating location, you're going to get the cash back. Now, you can also check in with the particular app itself and see what different types of specials they do have going, and if you want to take advantage of those offers. But again, it's one of those things where you can also do it where it's set it and forget it. All right, that was the top 5 cashback apps. That is in no particular order, as I said, that you should be using if you aren't already. Now, if you want to take even more savings and get back more cash back quicker, click the links in the description below, and it will give you some different sign-on bonuses that some of these apps may have. I mean, who doesn't like free money? And as I was saying in the beginning, there are many, many, many more cashback apps out there. If you want to see many more that you could check into and see many of the different ones that you may not even have heard of, click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to an article from the RideShare Guy talking about 19 apps, including the 5 that I just talked about, and so many more. All right, and if you enjoy saving money, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like saving money, well, I can't help you there. But also make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos are uploaded, including videos like this that will help you save money either at the pump, on your groceries, or just shopping in general. All right, everyone, drive safe.